Hey guys, I'm Apurba from bloggingmaker.com and today we are going to see Changio Review. As you can see, I am here at Changio dashboard. I am using this software last 2 to 3 days and seriously talking, I fall in love with this software. So this software will allow you to copy and edit any kind of website and landing page that you can wish to change and make it as your own. So after owning this pages or landing pages, you can put it on your website, or you can use it as your own landing page also. So in this video I am going to show you how this software hijack other pages and make it as your own, and I will show you my exclusive bonuses that you get with this amazing software. So if you find it interesting, then be sure to stay with me in the video and make sure to hit the subscribe button. So let's see how these work. So here we are at the Changio dashboard. So here you can see the pages, the code, tutorial sections, and the bonus section. I will show you the bonuses that vendor gives you. Okay, so after login you will land it here, and here you can see some pages already created. Okay, so if you create any others page, you have to go to this new page section. You have to click on this new page section. So I'm clicking it. So here you can see create new page. So you have to give it a name. So I'll give it new page of mine. You have to give a page URL that you wish to change. Okay, so like I'm changing this Changio sales page here. Okay, so this is a sales page of Changio. So I am changing this sales page. Okay, so let's put the URL here. Click on save new. So here you can see my new page of mine is here. So it is deactivated because I am not activated it. So in this section you can delete it, you can edit this page. Of course you can edit it. Okay, so you can get a page code or you can integrate it. I will show you later, but let's see the edit it and how it's work. Okay, so here we are at Changio, and you can see this page and this page is same. Okay, so this page and this page is same. Okay, so I'll change anything. Okay, I'll change anything here. So just right click on element which you can change, just right click it. Okay, so let's see, I can change. I want to change this this picture. So I just click on the right click on this on the page, and here you can see you can change, you can select photo of mine. So I can select photo of mine here. Let's see how it's work. It is actually work or not. Okay, so open section, open, replace image. Let's see, is it work or not. Another click. Okay, it is. So here you can see you can change. I change my photo, the landing page from the others landing page. I can change anything. I can change the letter, I can change the written here, what written here. Okay, so just select it, delete it. Okay, delete. Let's see, here you can see no sentence is here. So just based Changio software is launched on 9th March. Okay, so I just write it here, and you can change the font size. You can change the front, you can change the front size here, you can change the width, height, anything. Okay, so just I change it. So here you can see based Changio software is launched on 9th March. Okay, I can change the headline also. I can change the page here. I can change the button also. So let's change the button. Here you can see the button text is here. So get access now. I just put get access now. Can I change the URL of this button? Left click and drag the move to the box. So you can select the parent here. Okay, here you can change the URL of the page. So here you can see this is the URL of this button. So I just change it like my page URL. I put it here, logingmaker.com. so this is my page URL, review page URL. So here you can see the URL is change of this button. Okay, or you can add anything. You can add here, you just hover on the add element section, or here you can add image, add text, add buttons, add custom codes. Okay, so anything you wish you can change, you can add, you can do whatever you want with others landing page. This is fully legal. Okay, so here you can see I just click it here. Let's see. Oh, I have to save this page before, so let's save it. So this is the editing page URL. So they after editing, you don't have to any kind of hosting to host this page. This Changio software will host your page on their page. Okay, so you don't have to buy any hostings. Okay, so just save it. Here you can see change saves. Okay, so exit. So here you can see new page of mine is here, so I can integrate it. So let's see how the integrate options are there. So here you can see the HTML code. So this HTML code will be you can put on your website. Okay, you can put on your landing page also, or you can this is the hosted page. So their page, your page will be hosting on their place. So this is the page URL. So let's click let's copy it and see how it's look. Okay, here you can see this is the landing page which I edit. So this page and this page is same, but I just change anything what I want. Okay, you can see. So this is the actual Changio software review, and let's see the bonuses. So this is the vendor, this is the creator of Changio software, Mike from Mine. So he made this software very useful and very newbie friendly. So this software will be launched on 9th March, which is today, 10 AM Eastern time. Here you can see my review. Okay, so the review link is in the description. You have to go to the description section, and you will find the first link is my review link. So you landed here. So real life users and price and upsells here. So let's see the bonuses which I give you. So the first bonus is access to all my premium plugins that I use on my website. So these are the premium plugins that I use on my website. So there is Yoast, which is a SEO plugin. Next is WP Rocket, which is a cache plugin. Next is Tutorial LMS, which is a powerful LMS plugin. And next is Avada Pro, which is a theme. Okay, next is Elementor Pro, which is a builder, WP builder, page builder. Okay, next is WP Form. This is the pop-up creator or contact form creator. So all these 6 premium bonuses, so all these premium plugins are yours. Okay, so next bonus is case study of $10,600 and 6,424 leads. So if you are looking to build a long-term reliable and profitable online business, then watch this 3-part case study, and most importantly, take the action. Okay, so you have to take action after seeing this 3-part case study. Okay, next is WP Wordpress Headline Pro. So WP Headline Pro let you learn the tricks to write powerful headlines and earn more profit. So with the Changio software, you can change any kind of headlines, any kind of text. So you need to learn how to write powerful headlines to get more profit. Okay, Next exclusive bonus is viral marketing tips and success strategies. So with this software you can learn effective viral marketing tips and success strategies. So these strategies help you to make the best use of viral marketing and reach out to the masses without spending a fortune. Okay, so next bonus is email marketing basics video course. So this video course will teach you how to build a relationship with your list and also help you to set up your email autoresponder with GetResponse, so that you can grow an email list that gets click and converts into sale. If you don't have GetResponse access, so I'll put my link on the description, which will access you 30 days free trial of GetResponse, so you can examine your campaigns with free action. Okay, so the next bonus is all the vendor bonuses that vendors will give it to me to give it to you. Okay, so these are the vendor bonuses. Let's Mail. So the self-hosted email platform, let's see, the self-hosted email platform that Brit users to send all of his marketing emails, send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers with no monthly fees. Next is $300 per day. So Britly, all exclusive step-by-step guides that provide everything you need to make $300 per day with affiliate marketing. Next is Image Marketer Pro, the web-based graphic software that Brett created to make all his social posts, videos, covers and more. So you can create various images with this software. Okay, so these are the vendor bonuses. So I hope you love the video. I hope you understand what is Changeo and how it's work. So please go through the description. My first link will be redirected to this review page, and you have to click on these buttons to redirect it to the sales page. So the sales pages look like this. Please go through this, very informative, and step-by-step guide is there. So please go through this, and I'll show you something. This is the timer. If it hits 0, all the bonuses will be gone. So please take action as soon as possible. Okay, so let's see the prices also. Okay, the front end price is $19 until 4 p.m. So the software is launched on 10 a.m. Eastern time. So 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. the price is $19. Raise price to $20 until midnight. So the day 2, $21 until noon, raise price to $22 until midnight. Next is day 3, $23 until noon, raise price to $24 until midnight. Price goes to $47. So take action as soon as possible. You see the video. Okay, so OTO 1, the main important and useful thing is there is only OTO 1, only one. So you have to upgrade one time to get full access of this software. So you have to just one OTO with everything in it, starting at $197. So the dime sale is up to $297. Okay, so this is it, and thank you guys. Bye bye.